guys, and welcome back to another video. I would like to thank you guys so much for 55 subscribers. I would like to thank you guys for 1K views on my most recent video, and also 3K views on my previous hair tutorial. I would like to thank you guys so much. Like that, I seen that and my mom seen that and she was mind blown. Like literally last night in the middle of the night, she came in my room. She was so excited. I would like to thank you guys so much. In today's video, I will be giving you guys 5 hairstyles. So it'll be 6 because I added one as I was going along. The first hairstyle is gonna be a 2-piece strand with clips. You guys know how to do the clips. I'm using a clear one. I'm gonna show you guys how to do the clips. So how I do it, so I just twist the hair. And I hold it like so. Hope you guys can see. Hold it like so. Get the clip. And just like put it in there. And just push it tight. I did not notice that. Please don't do it as low as I did it. Please. There you go. One hairstyle. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me with dead and now they won't get it. So next style is a 2-piece strand with 2 pigtails. Maybe. And then you have some strands right here. Welcome to the party. Come up the latest in the league. That's why I'm retarded. That's why I'm retarded. Baby, welcome to the party. Or, you know, you could do something like our next style is gonna be half up, half down hair clip. So this style, I'm gonna take the strands out now. The strands are gone. I'm gonna get some hair at the top. I say maybe if you have like a full wig, probably take a lot, yeah. Just take some hair. It doesn't really matter how much you take, just as long as it's a half up, half down look. Okay, and you know, keep the 2 strands out. The 2 strands be giving low key. Remember, we're going to twist. Twist. And as let me show you. You're gonna twist. And as you're twisting, hold it. So, you know, it won't get loose. And we're gonna push it up. You're gonna push it up like that, and you're gonna put your hair clip like so it can stay. Now you have your hair. You're gonna get some of the hair and you're just gonna spread it out. So I think instead of just leaving them in the front, you just push the hair to the back, like kind of behind the hair clip. I think you leave some like in the front, but you just push the rest to the back. Okay, I don't know if you could see the hair clip, but there's some hair in the back and there's just a little bit in the front. And that's how you get this little spiky look. And you just, yeah. Okay, the next one is half up, half down with strands. I forgot which one this one was. I think I just did like a regular half up, half down. And the strands. Let me take the strands out first. So remember, we want to keep it very light. Okay, this is too much. Okay, I did a half up, half down. I think, yeah. I'm gonna use a regular hair tie, just using like a casual hair tie, see? And then remember, we're gonna leave some strands out. Probably put the rest in the back and leave some in the front. And then just spread the hair out some. I like that hair spread look. It looks very cute. Okay, so next hairstyle. It's gonna be a hair wrap hairstyle. So I'm gonna get my comb and just fix my hair. Just do like a little, like so. I'm gonna do this. Do the same for the next side. Okay, so it's supposed to look like this. Now, you're gonna get your hair tie, whatever you use, and you're gonna fold it like this. So it has to be looking like this. Okay, once you do that, you're gonna put it up here, and then just gonna put it behind your hair. Move this hair out the way. Some people like to maybe just tie it up in a knot and just leave it like so. Just cute. But with this style, I'm going to put it up, do it very tight, you don't want it loose. And then what we're gonna do is do a knot. So you're gonna do it like that, like a little knot. Then you're going to push, you're gonna get this piece and just push it inside while still holding on to this one. So you're just gonna stick it in there, stick it right in there. Boom. I'm gonna maybe stick this one in the back like this. You got your style, and just get to brushing, combing, to make sure it's flat. Alright y'all, so those are my 6 hairstyles. They were very cute, and they were hairstyles that literally just popped up into my mind. But girl, like they were very cute, and I really like this one. Maybe if you're gonna do this hairstyle, maybe like do a little 2-strand and see how that looks. But this one's very cute. Anyways, I'm gonna end this video right here. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Please like and leave a comment which hairstyle was your favorite. I'm gonna keep trying to post every week. I just don't know what to post, okay? But I'm gonna keep trying to post every week, all right? I hope to see you in my next video. I'm gonna end it here. Bye.